In this video, you are going to learn how to conduct an inter and intra-rater consistency test or correlation analysis whenever you're analyzing a test that you've administered. Visit this website if you want to learn a little bit more about how to do this, and we used code from this website whenever we were making this video. The data that you'll see are just for educational purposes, so they're not real and shouldn't inform your opinion about the subject matter. First, I'm going to load a couple packages that are going to be helpful today. Then I'm going to find my data. Today, we're specifically interested in whether or not we have consistency in terms of our raters. So for the speaking section, we used a rubric. And remember, these data are made up but represent a speaking test that we administered. In the first section of the speaking test, or rather overall in the speaking test, we allowed 2 raters to rate the material, and each rater rated each speaking sample twice. So the coding here means rater 1, round 1, for example, phonology, a part of the rubric. And then here you see rater 1, round 2, phonology. So this is the same rater, 2 rounds. And here's rater 2, round 1, etc. And rater 2, round 2. And here you'll see averages for each of those. So this is the average for rater 1, round 1. Overall, so this is the overall speaking score from rater 1 for round 1. And what we're interested in right now is whether or not rater 1 was consistent both times, and whether or not there is agreement between rater 1 and rater 2 overall. In order to conduct this, we're going to look at the correlations. So first, we're going to look at the inter-rater reliability. So this is between raters. And we're interested right now in rater 1 average between round 1 and round 2, and rater 2 average between the 2 rounds. So we'll run that code, and we can see that up here are our effect sizes, and down here are p-values. And secondly, we're interested in intra-rater reliability. And remember, intra-rater means within the same rater. So first we're going to look at rater 1 across the 2 rounds, and then at rater 2 across the 2 rounds. Just like before, we have effect size up top and the p-values down below. And the same thing for rater 2.